Yes, good morning, all. It's very, yes, the sun did not come, but it doesn't mean we should not attend the classes. Like, I don't know, because of that, many people have not joined, as it is even 9 8 also. Let us hope they'll join afterwards. I'll start the
Okay.
class anyways. Yeah. Yes, we have seen peripheral devices, and apart from that, the very most prominent input devices were keyboard and mouse, which we have discussed yesterday. The normal things where I don't think so there should be any sort of revision or repetition. Yes, the one point like you have to remember is like keyboard has 104 keys with the function keys, delete, yes, escape, start button, or you could call it as a window, and insert key, speaker, multimedia keyboard, which consists like microphones, internally scroll key lock, which are very important to discuss in keyboard. Rest all, it works as a typewriter. Whenever we press a particular key, the same impression is given on the monitor. Okay. And moreover, mouse, the important things about the mouse are like we used to have mouse pad, and beneath the mouse there used to be a ball where you call that mouse as a cursor or an arrow mark. Whenever it is there, you call it as a cursor, which will be blinking. The place at which you position that cursor, from there onwards you could type. And the important operations of the mouse could be right click, left click, yes, drag and drop, and scrolling, yes or no. Click, double click, drag, right click, and scroll. These are the important operations. And now the mouse, whatever you call it, has been replaced by optical mouses. And moreover, even the keyboards and mouses are available through even in wireless also, which are very expensive, and they work on the technology based on infrared or Bluetooth. Yes, the other one which we have seen was touch screen, where we have seen touch screen. Yes, like it even works similar to your mouse operations, where lifting the finger generates the action of single mouse click, and touching the screen twice is the double click, and touching and moving finger without lifting, it is like dragging. Yes or no? So PDAs and your ATMs, whatever you could call, this is all we have seen. Like touch screens or touch screen panels, they are display overlays which have the ability to display and receive information on the same screen. And they are usually the monitors with a special pressure sensitive sensors. Yes, this is what you have to remember: sensitive screen that detects the touch of the finger on a particular, this we have seen. And OMR, it comes to your when coming to examination point of view, where it is you have MCQs to be answered. Then like you could see in most of the entrance exams, where they were yes, multiple choices to be answered, multiple choice questions where one answer would be appropriate, and you have to mark that on an yes, OMR sheet. And they can read up to 10,000 documents per hour. Yes. And they process huge volumes of data in a very short span of time. And they are economical devices, what you could say. Now the usage is OMRs use the laser beam scanning technology. Yes, they focus on the light on the page being scanned and detect the reflected light pattern from the darkened circles on the paper sheet. This is what the important point, I think, of the OMR. Rest all you could write it on, but this is important where you have to learn how it works. Like they focus a light on the page which is being scanned, yes, and detect the reflected light pattern from the darkened circles. So kya ho raha hai, whenever they are passed by, then through a scanner, then light is emitted from which they are scanned, and from the darkened circles on the paper sheet it is evaluated. This is what you have to be perfect enough, or you have to remember. And the next one we have seen is barcode reader, which is nothing but bars or lines or stripes, yes. And there will be a handheld scanner. Apart from that, if you could see, not only that, there will be some sort of scanners where they'll be reading the barcode, yes. How it works is by directing a beam of light across the barcode. Here what is happening, a light of a beam of light is what do you say, it is focused on the barcode, and whatever the amount of light it is reflected back is being measured, and this particular scanner converts the what do you say, light energy into the electrical energy, which is then converted into the data by the decoder, and then it is forwarded to the computer. Internally how it goes, this is one which you have to be like you have to be aware how it works. Okay girls, so the next important device is scanner. um, just a moment. Yes, you could see some barcode reader along with the explanation and this thing. And the next one is scanner. Like you have flatbed scanners and handheld scanner. Handheld scanner, just now I have discussed, when used with barcode readers or some sort of जो हाथ में पकड़ के scan करते हैं. Then you could even see some sort of, when you visit some what do you say, very sensitive zones, you will be scanned, yes or no, yes or no, like a
Right
pilgrimage
now,
page.
hospitals, ma'am.
Yeah, pilgrimage, yes, hospitals, but even prior also, at least now you could imagine, like handheld scanner, if you go on for any sort of pilgrimages or any
Airports.
holy places, yes, airports, and any sensitive areas. That is what I'm saying, like whenever it matters about your security issues regarding the whole surroundings, yes, then at that point of time you might have seen some handheld scanners, yes. That is what you call it as handheld. And apart from that, you have flatbed scanners. Flatbed scanners are the one which we use now for scanning our photos or documents or images, just to make a another picture into your computer, yes or no. Scanning karte hai bole to yes, like it's something. What is happening, if you could see robo cinema again, one more time, उनको एक किताब दिए तो रोबो क्या करता है, just he'll काश अपने को ऐसा होता, he will take the entire pages one side, ऐसा देख के क्या होता है, पूरा scan कर लेता है. Yes, and this is one of the process of reading girls, like scanning, skimming, etc. When you learn English now, then if it's a methodology, one of the things how you get English also, like there are different methods like scanning, skimming. बोले तो एक दफा में, like by seeing just something, some summary could be caught out of that. So what I want to say is, like you have flatbed scanners and handheld scanners. No need to discuss about handheld scanners. Like they will be like we can hold them in the hand and make out the things out of them. That, let me go with flatbed scanners. Okay, like we know input device which works more like a photocopy machine. Yes, it works like a photocopy, is nothing but Xerox machine. And yes, not only photographs, like it's hallucin, or it's what do you say, a thought that scanners are just only used for uploading the images. No, any sort of documents, the textbooks, the pages, like I could say, what I want to say, any sort of documents or any sort of images and pictures, handmade pictures or photographs or any sort of huge documents could be scanned. And what is happening here, a paper document into digital image format will be like, whatever the paper document is there, it will be converted into digital image format. This digital image format is nothing but, when I call it as digital image, it is something in pixels, like we have discussed what is pixel, picture element. Okay, so And yes, what happens now, after getting stored in the system, you could alter them. Originally, if there is a photo, can you alter it? No. If you alter also, it looks very abrupt, yes or no? But when you want to do the same, you want to do some modifications, then you could load through means of the scanner, make the picture on appear on the screen. Yes, and then you could do some sort of modifications, like images can be even altered and manipulated in many interesting ways. Like you have different softwares again regarding this image or the picture or whatever, so you could make out of it. I hope you're all understanding now what is a scanner. Yes, as I'm saying, the modifications could be done. Every scanner has its own resolution, color, the depth, and the speed. Yes, and a flatbed scanner is like photocopy machine consisting of a box. Yes, I'm describing how it is. You could see here in the picture, like what is happening. It is something which is in the form
Ma'am,
of a
nothing is
box.
there on screen.
I don't think so. You please, okay? Is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, yes.
Now it's shell.
Okay.
Now it's seen.
Okay. So what is happening is, you could see what how it is, the scanner. Yes, it consists of a box having a glass plate on its top and a lid that covers the glass plate. I think you know, you have seen Xerox machines. It is same. Like you have some sort of plastic metal, and uske niche you have a glass where you'll place whatever has to be scanned. Yes or no? So
Yes.
a document to be scanned is placed upside down on the glass plate. Yes, to scan a document, the scanner is dragged slowly over it from its one end to the other end with its light on. Yes, like
Ma'am,
this.
nowadays scanner is combined with printer, na?
Yeah.
In many offices, I've seen many scanners and printers are together.
Okay.
It's together, but the work of them are different.
Yes. The plugins will be different.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ports.
Yes, the ports, the sockets. Okay. So um, yes, handheld scanners. I don't think so. There is something to be said. Okay. Yes, one of the most utilized handheld scanners is the barcode scanner, which is used typically in shopping stores. If you could see, yes, we have discussed all throughout. Yes, this is what about your scanner. I hope you're all understanding, and no doubts with this. Apart from this,
Yes, ma'am.
you have microphone, digital camera, yes, graphic tablet or digitizer, and yes, yeah, one thing I want to say here, which is on the screen, magnetic ink character recognition. Where do you find that without seeing? It is used on the checkma. You just go through. If you have checkbook at home, papa ke paas rehta na ek check. Don't just see on the checkbook one leaf of a check, where you'll see some dark lines similar to your barcodes, like
Yes,
magnetic
ma'am.
ink character
Yes, ma'am.
recognition. By that only, check kaisa, whether the check is validated or not, or is it from the authorized person, how they'll check. Apart from the signature, that is magnetic ink character recognition, where it contains the account details, the account holder name, etc. Then only the check will be presented by the bank. Yes, so this MICR could be seen on the leaf of a checkbook. Okay, so magnetic ink character recognition, it is a character magnetic ink character, the name itself suggests so it is a recognition system that uses special inks and characters. Okay, so you could go through this, like it passes through MICR machine, which magnetizes the ink and then translates the magnetic information into characters. Yes, that is what I've said. No, like what are the characters to be converted? It is nothing but the account holder name, the account number, the validation will be checked out. So MICR technology is used by banks. Numbers of characters found on the bottom of the checks, yes, are printed using magnetic ink. Okay, so yes, to print magnetic ink characters, we need a laser printer that accepts MICR toner. This is what you have to go through. So the main advantage of MICR is that it is fast and less error prone. Obviously, when coming to banks, you could not expect the bank to be to process a transaction which is fake? Yes or no? You could not expect. So as to the very sensitive data it could be used. Even कहाँ पे दिखता है ये? एक बात बोलो, MICR कहीं और देखे? देखते बेटा कहीं और? कहीं पे भी देखे? Have you traveled through metro rails?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
टिकट पे रहता नहीं रहता?
Yes.
Yes,
Don't
ma'am.
you find something similar, like where some sort of lines which are very thick in color? Yes, the lines which are very thick, and apart from that they'll be of particular ink. Yes, magnetic ink character recognition. Okay ma? So these are all the
Okay.
input devices based on your understanding and your capability. Like I have discussed almost all. You could even write what is digital camera, what is microphone, and this joystick, light pen. Yes, लाइट पेन ना, लाइट पेन कहाँ यूज होता बोलो एक बार? कहीं पे भी देखे आप स्क्रीन पे करते अपन काम?
Yes.
Where do you have seen such things?
In presentation.
Yes,
No,
apart from that,
in labs
huh?
and in labs or scientific labs.
Yes. See, if you have gone through cricket match, on the screen, they'll be telling like this is the area between the field, the people who are fielding. तो इसके बीच में से बॉल जा सकता है, and there is no person standing over here where the batsman could hit a boundary. So there will be some sort of places said.
Assumption.
Huh? తీసుకోండి, ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాయి కదా క్యాన్లా, తీసుకోవచ్చు. So assumptions, apart from assumptions, like the ball hit and like whatever the ball hits, etc., they will be pointed out. Yes, so in that case the light pen is used. It is another pointing device which is similar to your pen, and it is mainly used to draw the pictures on lines on a monitor, or you could call it as a computer screen. Yes, so like it works, the concept is photocell and an optical system which is placed in the pen, which is shaped like a small tube. Okay, so whenever the cell is brought closer to the screen, it senses the light coming from the screen. This is how it works. So it is mainly used in computer aided design, CAD applications, and even in cricket matches. What is happening, as I said, the commentators, they make some portion of the screen while explaining a particular area or the field set, yes or no, of a particular batsman or a bowler or a field man, etc. So light pens could be considered as a part of PDA, personal digital assistant, and handheld computers. They are just used for drawing some sort of lines or some sort of pictures, yes, on your computer monitor, where it consists of a photo cell, and when it is brought near the play, whenever the cell is brought very closer to the screen, it senses the light coming from the screen, and it generates the electrical pulses, and whatever the pulses are generated, they are then again converted to a signal processor. Yes, like as again it is picture, then it will be converted into pixels. Yes, this is what you could make it. Okay, I hope I'm clear, girls. Am I or not? Any doubts in this? Please let me know.
No, ma'am.
All of you?
No, ma'am.
So I think with one glance of reading, you could write very easily the answer, because FIT is such a subject. Now when listening, it would be easy, but when you take out the notes or textbook, after seeing the pages, you feel like, oh my god, this is what I have to learn. No, like being a child psychology, we feel like number of pages. Yes, in degree level, girls, don't go to the concept of number of pages, stick on to the point of number of points. Okay, it doesn't mean, even I discuss the same with other girls also, it does not mean if they ask you to write some answer 4 to 5 pages, we cannot write any story of DDLG or any other thing. Yes, we can write to the point which fetches you mark. अगर keyboard है तो keyboard क्या है उसके बारे में ही लिखते. Yes, there will be a person sitting in front of the computer holding a keyboard, playing with the keyboard. Will you write? And if you write, do you get marks? No, na? So stick on to the important points which we are learning. Then you could, that could fetch you marks. Don't go with the number of pages, stick on with the content. And I said again and again, don't ask me even at the time before your exams. If input output devices comes, output devices, as I said, like you have monitors, printers, and plotters, where you have to write them, and that too categorization could be made. But when coming to input devices, see, input and output devices all together, they make around 13 to 14 side heads. Yes or no? When it is for 18 marks, you could make at least 5 input devices and 3 to 4 output devices. So 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. Agar one side head ko 3 points diye to bhi, you will be awarded your full marks projected in a proper manner. Yes or no? For your understanding, there are lots of devices available for you. You have to go through them. You have to be aware once you refer the textbook. But for examination point of view, you stick on to the important ones which are feasible to you, which you have understood. Okay, ma? And it doesn't mean hum ek do likhte madam bas. No. You cannot take that advantage. You have to write 4 in each category. Okay. So I hope with this I have done with input devices. Now I'll go for output devices. Yes. Am I clear, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Any questions to be asked here? And if you
No,
mute
ma'am.
yourself, I would be happy if you mute yourself. All these girls, Nazmeen, Sumaya, Yasmin, yeah, thank you. Sanufa Khatun from Shalibanda. Please mute. Sanufa Khatun. Mute, ma. Yeah. Done. Thank you. So, output devices. Yes, we know. The devices which produce the output or the result or the so-called information after processing. It could be taken either on the screen or the so-called monitor, or it could be in the form of a, printer. Print format, which is through a printer. So this is what you call it as output, which is done by making use of your output devices. So the devices that produce output or result after processing of data values are called as output devices. And yes, what are the different types of outputs? Can anybody say, ma?
Speaker,
What is
printer.
soft copy and what is hard copy? अपने को ना पहले मैं वही बोल रही हूँ, like see, there will be soft copy and hard copy. Output में कैसा होना बोलते हैं? Yes or no?
Soft copy.
Huh?
Information which exists on paper is hard copy.
Yes, very good, very good. Yes, soft copy output, like it is available to the user till the computer or the terminal is switched on, and the output goes as soon as the switch. Once you switch off the computer, then you call it as a soft copy. Like you could say as the data which is displayed on the screen of the monitor till you are working out with the things, then the result will be available for you. Yes, and even simultaneously, like if you could see. Yes, so even the songs, when you are hearing what is happening till your system is on, aisa hai koi system, after the system is switched off also you could listen to the songs? No, na? So that is what you call it as soft copy. And hard copy, as one of the girls said, like the soft copy example could be taken as computer monitors and speakers, and hard copy could be taken as like it is a permanent type of output which is available on the paper in an art form. Like it could be a printer or a plotter. Okay, so yes, coming to first category, computer monitor. Yes, can anybody say something about the monitor or the screen? Yes.
Monitor is
one of the important
output source where we'll get everything, what we are writing, what we are clicking, and then
Yes.
It is the screen which help us to know what information we are typing.
Yes, yes. Okay. So let me continue. You call it as generally VDU. Okay. See, VDU. There will be even like at times, what is the screen of the computer called? It is called as Visual Display Unit. Means something which could be seen when the screen, whatever is displayed on the screen. So you call it as a Visual Display Unit, which is a soft copy output device which produces output in the form of the picture or a screen. So what I want to say is computer monitor is also termed as VDU, Visual Display Unit, and it works like it is more like your television. And yes, so we know this. Yes, it works. A monitor can be used to watch a TV. Have you seen such type of monitors, ma? I have seen. Like TV tuner card deke, we could make it as a you could make it act like your TV, the system itself.
Yes.
Yes. And today's technology, you could see just by making use of live
Even you
karke bhi,
can
live streaming. Yes, it is becoming a TV. However, yes or no?
mobile display on computers as well.
Yes, through network connectivity. Yes. So the monitor immediately displays the text and graphics as you create them and reflects changes to them as you perform. Yes, the monitor is the mirror. Like, yes or no, what you're doing is same reflected on your screen or monitor. It acts like your mirror, a mirror at whatever you're typing from the keyboard. It is being displayed on the screen. Yes. So there is nothing much to explain, I guess, about this. When coming to explanation part, I'll tell you wherever it is important. Let me load something more. Mm. Mm-mm. Yes, you could see like it is the olden one which you could see the downward like CRT, cathode ray tube monitors, which we have discussed. Yes, just like your picture tube. Yes or no? So coming about to monitor or the screen, they are available in nowadays in variety of shapes, the designs and colors. Yes, depending on the classification or the generation, they could be categorized as CRT, cathode ray tube monitor, and LCD, liquefied crystal displays, and TFT. Okay, so thin film transistor, TFT stands for thin film transistor. Okay, so let me discuss one after the other. You could see what is there, like something CRT monitor, which is electron gun and the screen. By this seeing the picture, you could see like what is happening here. Cathode ray tubes are the glass vacuum tubes into which an electron gun emits a flow of electrons guided by an electron field towards it. Like, see, like gun, you could say something like by whenever the power is generated, like then there will be electrons emitted where because of that fusion or so-called generating of the power, then something will be reflected on the screen because of this emission of light, this emission of light because of the electrons which are there in the CRT, like cathode ray. You could go through this, like a cathode ray tube is used as a picture tube of the monitor. Yes, picture tube, which you call, which you find it in televisions in the olden days. Yes, which we have discussed. So yes, the screen of this tube is divided into rows and columns. So girls, whenever I'm saying when it is coming to picture or the image, everything, the resolution is nothing but the clarity. Yes or no? And it is defined by pixels, MP, megapixels. Yes, when again I'm saying it as pixels, everything will be in the form of dots, small dots, which you call it as picture elements. And see, at times if you have seen x-rays, वहां पे भी एक image रहता है, but what is happening, that will be not clear. Even when the picture tube is not working properly, there will be some sort of audio will be visible, but there will be no picture available. Yes or no? So this is what is important for displaying of the picture on the screen or on the monitor, what I want to say. So intersection, everything, like your matrix, most of matrix, where it will be in the form of rows and columns. So that rows and columns, you call it as pixels, which you call it as a picture element, which is nothing but the resolution, which could be called in other ways as the clarity of the picture. Yes, the number of pixels per unit area of the screen is called as resolution. I hope you are understanding, girls. Am I clear? Something very sort of, what do you say, thoda aisa dikhta physics पढ़ रहे अपन, but it is very easy to understand if you think logically.
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
All
ma'am.
of you?
ma'am.
Yes,
Or something Greek and Latin? No, na?
No.
Because after seeing the picture, after seeing the image onto your right side of the screen, you could imagine. Yes. Aisha, Kalim, Sakina, girls, all of you mute yourself, ma. Yeah, done. So you could see the number of pixels per unit area of the screen is called as resolution. This important point has to be noted down. And yes, as I said, the image seen on the monitor screen is made up of thousands of pixels. And the distance between each individual pixel, you call it as a dot pitch. Okay. And see, this is the measurement, girls. Please note it down. Like, see, the CRT monitor comes in 15-inch to 21 inches, like 38 to 53 centimeters, and even larger. As see, girls, as CRT was used in monitors, they were large in size, which where the technology has been replaced. When coming to LCDs, you could see the next one, LCD monitor. Yes, liquid crystals for producing the image, rather than CRT, the cathode ray tube, which emits electrons. Yes, but whereas here, what is happening, like liquid crystals for producing the image. Yes. You could go through this, like the CRT is very large in size, so it can't be embedded in small sized computers like laptops. So what happened? A compact output device is needed to produce the output on the screen, and the screen used, so-called, you call it as a LCD screen. Yes or no? Yes. What happened here? Like aligning the molecular crystals, and these crystals are packed into screens. The front screen is transparent and the back screen is reflective. Yes, it happens. This is the technology being used. The screen, LCD screen, produces the image by aligning the molecular crystals, where these crystals are divided into two screens. The front screen is transparent and the back is reflective. So what is happening, girls? Like, see, you have to remember, because this is a technology, I could not help it out. This is the technology which is being used, which you have to know how LCDs work. Yes, so this is the way. More than this, I could not explain about these things. This is the, what do you say, aisa kaam karta hai bas. Okay, so the back screen, it reflects the light towards the front screen, and then the image is produced on your display. Okay, so yes, we know they take up very less disk space, and they are very light in weight, and even very safe for the human eyes, as they do not flicker. Flicker? What do you mean by flicker?
Getting on off like that, suddenly.
Yes. Like
when tube light is going to get
shining
like
unsteadily, or you could call it as
Blinking
make
is
small.
known as
Yeah,
just
blinking.
flicker.
Yes. Some sort of disturbance in the screen, like
Yes.
make small and quick movements. Yes.
Yes.
जैसा कि अपन थोड़े लोग जल्दी जल्दी ऐसा आंख मार लेते रहते हैं ना, some sort of things very quickly, very rapidly. Okay, so flickering is not there here. Okay, so girls, the measurements or the dimensions are given. A LCD comes in standard sizes from 15 inches to 21 and even more larger. And yes, the screen measurement is taken from diagonal ends. It's very important. Screens are measured diagonally from one corner to another corner, including the case. Okay. And yes, LCD, liquid crystal displays are the technologies. They are very widely used in computer monitors, the televisions and instrument panels, etc. And yes, they could even be seen in video players, gaming devices, watches, calculators, and telephones. I hope I'm clear. And I'll continue with last one monitor, which is TFT, which is nothing but thin film transistor. Then till here, I'll post the notes today, ma. Okay. Girls, am I clear to both branches, ma? And yesterday, one of the girls posted in Shalibanda group, Madam Reader Bolo Computer Ka girls. Why reader, ma? I'm explaining you, and moreover, if you're not listening, also I'm providing you with the material on a day-to-day basis. Yes or no? Why are you in a hurry to buy textbooks, ma? And these are common topics you could find anywhere.
Ma'am, the reason behind buying the reader is the so we don't want to write the notes.
Don't want to write the notes. Okay. Sit
That's
simply
the
in the home
reason.
watching TV and playing video games.
The reason it's our hands are too much paining because as if we were have to write FA English as well as BOM. That's the reason for FIT.
Yes, ma'am. It's so much to write.
वो आदत छूट गया है 1 साल से पढ़ाई का, इसीलिए ऐसा हो रहा है. हाँ, you do some sort of hand activities, okay? अच्छा खा के अच्छा आराम से गया जिंदगी 9 महीने से. तो अभी लिखो, पेन पकड़ो बोलते पेन पकड़ना भी भूल गए. हाँ?
No, ma'am.
And ma'am, while seeing the mobile screen, our headache is too much.
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday night, I slept at 12 itself.
Okay.
And my good night will be from 2 itself.
Good morning. Okay.
No, late night 2 o'clock.
Okay.
My good night will be so. Because of
in
this,
olden days, people used to sit under the street light and study. What about those people, the great people? They never used to study in the morning. Only in the night they used to study under the street light. It is a comedy which is shown.
Yeah.
पूरा सुबह छूटते हैं और शाम में स्ट्रीट लाइट के नीचे पढ़ते देखते. That is why they have become great people.
Yes.
Yeah, even you to do that. Skip all your evenings enjoying and late night you write the notes. Okay. Very funny. See, it's not nobody's no ma. FIT तो नहीं पूछ रहे ना बेटा आपको कोई किसी को भी. See, you have to be aware. But the theory, as it is theory, it what happens if you don't write? It becomes rote learning ma. रट्टा बोलते ना, रट्टा मार के पढ़ लिए. Rote learning is not good for you to write in the theory. You have to understand the concepts. Listening is only not important for theory subjects. Even you have to write at least some summary. And nobody's asking you to show right now. No, FA is mandatory, like you have to practice on day-to-day basis. But FIT, I'm not asking. No, like you could take your own time and make a note of that, whatever you are listening. Yes or no? I'm not keeping any time constraint, like you have to finish off with today. Yes or no?
Yes.
Still any? Yeah. You make it happen. If not today, by after 2 days. But let it be possible.
But then and there we have to write.
Who said?
Otherwise,
I
it's
did not
becoming like a burden. Again and again, it's coming.
Okay. Okay, just let this week go. Then afterwards, we'll decide which books, etc. Let me speak out about this issue and I'll let you know.
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes.
Thank
now,
you, ma'am.
Yeah, no issues, ma. So coming back to the last category, thin film transistors. Yes, they are commonly used interchangeably with the LCDs. Yes, obviously there would be some difference. One second, girls. Huh? Yes, girls. Coming back, like, see, the TFT monitors are usually used in the laptops, and they are very much sensitive. Yes, LCDs you could see, but the technology behind your laptops is nothing but your TFT, thin film. Yes, girls. You could see like what is happening is like in for a TFT monitor, tiny transistors instead of entire image is taken as a picture, like the rows and columns. What is happening for each and every pixel? There will be some small of a sort of tiny, very minute transistor on the display, and as each transistor is very small, the amount of charge needed to control is also very small. And yes, this way whatever the display will be getting refreshed several times per second, ensuring a very great visual clarity. I repeat, girls, like this thin film transistors, they are used probably for your laptops where the screen works out to this technology. And each and every pixel, the so-called dot, has every minute transistor which gets refreshed for every second so as to produce the image in a very great vision, more with more resolution. Okay, so a TFT monitor delivers crisp text, wide, vibrant color, and even improved response time. Yes, and they are ideal for games, video displays, and everything which is involving in multimedia. Okay, so this is about your monitors. What we have seen: CRT,
Ma'am, in
LCDs,
TFT
and
also,
TFT.
liquid crystals are used in TFT also.
Liquid crystal displays are something, which I have discussed just now. Like they are dependent on molecular, but is what is happening? That's what I'm saying. Now, thin film transistors. It's not the LCDs. For each and every, whenever it is taken as a thing, it is taken for every pixel. Whatever the transistors will be there, it is the transistors, not liquid crystals. Okay, and for each and every dot element there will be some sort of transistor technology where they get refreshed, the pulses get refreshed, and they get the picture clarity. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Still any doubts, girls?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
See, you could call it as like to enhance the operation and what do you say, influence or the usefulness of LCD displays, like as a display device you could make use of TFT. Yes. Any doubts, ma?
No, ma'am.
See this high speed LCD controlling devices in the form of TFTs right at the pixel element on the glass surface. Like they could be placed in such a manner also, so that the LCD image speed issues can be greatly enhanced, and like whatever the image blurring could be, what do you say, the blur of the image could be avoided to larger extent by making use of these TFTs. Okay.
Okay.
Some metals will be used, like you could call it as ITO, and lots of things are there. If you could go, then you could come to know. Okay. Okay, I'll take the attendance and I'll end the session. Yes, Malakpet, girls, raise your hands in the mobile. I guess today you'll be having your accounts class, ma. Maybe. I don't know. When did madam say ma'am will resume to the classes?
She didn't say anything.
Ma'am did not say anything. Okay, let us see. Girls, some of the girls have joined late, but anyways, I'm happy that you joined. And make it a point that you join, ma. Malakpet girls, very less strength. Why? Atika Tabassum. हाथ क्यों नहीं उठा रहे आप? Juveria Rahin, having breakfast? Juveria Rahin?
Yes, ma'am.
I asked you to raise the hands. You don't want attendance? Only 15. Still anyone who is trying to raise the hand? Okay, Mariam is from Shalibanda. Okay. And Sarabek.
And 15 are from
Yeah. I'm just looking after mine, like looking after. See, some girls na they miss again. They say like, "Aaj attendance nahi hua hamara." Right,
Yeah.
girls. You can. Yeah, I'm lowering all the hands. Well, thank you for that. I'll post the notes. You see that you finish off. Ma'am, and girls, I said you prior also. 2 units are important. Ma, rest all is your practicals, because the more you practice, you could write the steps automatically. From second unit itself, half of the second unit is about operating systems. From there onwards will be forwarded to Windows, like the WordPad, Notepad, accessories of the Windows operating system, whatever you have. Yes, accessories of Windows. So थोड़े दिन और I think 75% I have done with first unit, more 25%, so not an issue, I guess. Take your own time and try to do it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
From second
Okay,
unit
ma'am.
onwards, and thereafter I
Okay,
only
ma'am.
will stop where you could take the book and practice. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
Thank you, ma'am.
not an issue,
Thank
ma.
you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you all.
Thank you,
Attend all the
ma'am.
classes. See, by the time I see in the afternoon BOM class yesterday, there was very fall in strength. Don't let it happen, ma, please. Okay. Even though madam is there or not, your attendance is mandatory. Nobody is checking whether madam is explaining or not. You are being checked for your attendance whether you are present or not. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, मैडम है नहीं है, कल तो क्लास हुआ ना, तो आपका अटेंडेंस
Yes.
इम्पोर्टेंट था ना. Yes or no? So make
Yes.
yourself present in the online classes irrespective of anything.
Okay.
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 Yes, thank you all for that. I'll end the session here, where I'll make somebody as co-host and then I'll leave. Yes. Okay, girls. Thank you all. Have a nice day.
Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am.
Bye, ma. Bye.
Thank you,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma.
you.
Thank you.
Mariam,
G.
what about dates and registration procedure? We don't have to write,
You have to.
but you didn't send the
Because
notes of procedures and dates.
yeah, my gallery is messed up, so I'm not
Okay.
getting the pics to whom to what to send and what not to
No,
send.
आप जो फेयर नोट्स में लिखना है मेरे को वो नोट्स भेजो ना, मतलब जो पोस्ट हो रहे वो नहीं, मीन्स आप जो लिख रहे हैं
I have
नोट्स में.
written till partnership deed only. That's the reason I have sent it to you till that only.
नहीं, हम मतलब अब वैसा भेजे मुझे, लेकिन आपके नोट्स में से बोल रही हूँ मैं, मतलब आप जैसा लिख
हाँ,
लेते फिर वही
नोट्स
फोटो
में
सेंड।
I wrote till partnership deed.
हाँ डीट तक आप मुझे भेजो ना, खाली डीट, मतलब मेरे को एडवांटेजेस से होना है, सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप के डिसएडवांटेजेस कौन से?
Disadvantages. I think I had sent it to you.
नहीं, इस डिसएडवांटेजेस दो थे, उसके बाद के नहीं है मेरे पास।
अब समीरा,
हाँ
आई
हाँ।
थिंक मैं किसी और को सेंड कर, मालूम ही नहीं हो रहा किसकी
एंड
बात send कर।
इन इंग्लिश ग्रामर अपन इंग्लिश में रीडर्स में से पढ़ सकते हैं ना?
At present, do you have the reader?
नो।
Then how could
नहीं,
you
ये
able to
डेफिनेशन एक्सरसाइज कहाँ से आया, मतलब अपने को नहीं देना मैम?
definition as well as exercises are uploaded in the running class itself.
सॉफ्ट स्किल वैल्यू ओरिएंटेशन, उसके बाद फिर ये ग्रामर लिखना है।
जी,
प्रोनाउंसिएशन